By 2030, Africa's telecom industry could connect 500 million new users and unlock an additional $170 billion in GDP growth. For investors, operators, and policymakers, this isn't just about subscriber numbers, it's about capturing the momentum of the world's fastest-growing digital economy. But to understand how Africa's telecom sector became central to the continent's growth story, we need to look at the forces reshaping it today. Over the past 2 decades, Africa's telecom market expanded rapidly through prepaid models and aggressive network rollouts. By 2023, the continent counted 527 million subscribers, a penetration rate of 44%. Yet the real gap lay in internet usage. With mobile internet penetration at just 27%, Africa lagged far behind the global average of 69%. This digital divide underscored the sector's dual challenge: scale access while creating value-added services. The inflection point came from 2 dynamics: demographics and mobile finance. Africa is home to the world's youngest population. By 2030, over 600 million people will be between 15 and 34. At the same time, mobile money reached 835 million accounts in 2023, making telecom operators pivotal to financial inclusion. Telcos were no longer infrastructure providers alone. They had become the entry point to Africa's digital and financial ecosystems. Projections show subscriber numbers rising to 751 million by 2030, or 50% penetration. Yet structural headwinds remain. Entry-level smartphones cost nearly a month's income for low-income households, energy costs are rising, and governments continue to levy sector-specific taxes. A currency volatility further squeezes operator margins. The industry's growth trajectory was undeniable, but profitability was under pressure. The strategic response has been reinvention. Leading telcos are positioning themselves as platform companies, integrating payments, e-commerce, digital lending, health, and entertainment services into their core offerings. This shift turns telecom networks into digital infrastructure backbones, essential not only for consumers, but for enterprises and governments. The next differentiator is artificial intelligence. Generative AI enables predictive network maintenance, personalized customer engagement, fraud detection, and new product innovation. For operators, AI is not a luxury. It is a path to operational efficiency and competitive advantage. At the close of the decade, Africa's telecom sector could be recognized not only as a provider of connectivity, but as the foundation of the continent's digital economy. Its role extends across finance, trade, and innovation, powering startups, SMEs, and cross-border commerce. In this context, telecoms are no longer utilities, they are growth engines. Africa's telecom transformation is at a crossroads. Success will depend on overcoming affordability barriers, aligning regulation with growth, and deploying capital for long-term infrastructure. If executed well, the sector could redefine Africa's economic trajectory, bridging the digital divide and enabling inclusive growth. For business leaders, the opportunity is clear. Africa's next decade of telecom is less about connections made and more about value created. For more on Africa's economic and technological development stories, follow us, Spotlight in Africa,